Hi, baby. Mm. Hi. Where did your hand go? Did you lose one? What do you want to talk about? Yes, you know how to talk. It's snowing outside. Did you see all the snow? Yes, it's coming down. It's all white outside. Do you want to put on your snowsuit and go play in the snow? It's a wonderful thought. Do you want to mess up the house and drool on everything? And spit up on the couches? Oh, that's an exciting thought. Do you want to scare Murphy? We can scare Bella too. You want to sit on Bella? Hi, little man.